YouTube? This is P here from Need to Speed Car Reviews, and today we are going to do another install on the Q50. I have a rear spoiler that I'm going to install for you today that I got off of eBay. It cost about $130. I have the Q50 right behind me, and we'll be doing the unboxing video of the rear spoiler. So let's take a look. I have the spoiler, which is in the box. I'm going to do the unboxing for you, and I have some items that I'm going to use to prep the surface so I can install this rear deck lid spoiler. 91% alcohol, multi-purpose cleaner, some microfiber towels. I have extra 3M tape, double-sided 3M tape. And right down here, I have a bucket of soap water just to clean off the deck lid before I get started. I also have my razor. So let's get into the unboxing. The good thing that they take the time to package these items like this, because you don't want to receive anything in the mail broke. Closer look. Looks really nice. Carbon fiber. Not bad looking. It's the underside where it says Q50 right there, M4. This end is going to be facing, it's going to be taped down to the trunk. So that's the underside. Okay, so here's the 3M tape. This is not 3M tape, but this is the tape that it came with. I trust 3M. This is an off-name brand. So I'm gonna use my 3M as a primary and use this as a secondary. So I'm gonna start, I already cleaned this off, we seen that. I'm gonna start putting my 3M tape on the deck lid spoiler. This is 3M, 3M, see that? Bam, 3M. This is what they do. Perfect. This is the bottom of the spoiler. This is the top. So I'm gonna use the cheap stuff on the bottom and the 3M on the top, because I know the 3M is high quality. So I'm gonna roll the 3M all the way across. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some extra 3M tape and I'm gonna plug this area right here and right here. Just a little extra protection. Okay, so that looks good to go. Put that down for a second. Just in case the dust in the garage is circulating, so I'm gonna use my microfiber towel and wipe my deck lid one more time without removing my marks. And there. Fit. Just like that. And I'm gonna eye this here. I want to make sure I get this nice and even. So I have a dry erase marker. I'm gonna measure the sides of the trunk so I can get it dead center. And later on, I'll wipe that dry erase marker off. That's about even right there. I'm gonna leave this. Hopefully it won't fall. Pray with me, guys, pray. It won't fall, get damaged. I'm gonna go over there. Okay, I'm making my adjustments. Not much room for error, like I said previously. But I want to get as close as possible to perfect. And that nigga had to mark that. I like that look. Okay. Okay. There. Not a permanent marker. It's not a permanent marker. Okay. This is just so after I put the 3M tape on, I have a mark to go off of to keep everything nice, even, and level. Okay? She's marked. Okay, it's marked. I'm gonna remove the spoiler. Deckless spoiler is going to adhere to the trunk without touching my marks to make sure this thing is lined. So if I have my heat gun, I'll go ahead and heat the surface of the trunk, and I'll go ahead and, on low heat my adhesive on my 3M tape to get it nice and sticky. But since I don't have my heat gun, I'm going without it. Turn this to right side, right way, right side up. One shot, one kill. And here we go right here. I was about to mess up, y'all. Never that. Okay. So I'm using my marks to make sure I'm lined up. And I'm not gonna press yet. I'm gonna make sure I'm lined up, because this 3M tape is starting to adhere. So I want to make slight adjustments until I get it where I want it. That's good. I like that. That's good. I like that. Okay. That looks good so far. Underneath looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to press from the middle and work my way out. Moment of truth. Okay, get me a clean towel. And I'm pressing, applying slight pressure, not a lot, maybe about 5 to 10 pounds of pressure. And I'm also going to remove my marker lines on my trunk. Okay, so here's the finished product in the sunlight. Okay, viewers, I'm done. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget also hit that bell icon for notifications for new videos coming your way. Thank you for watching.